Lenovo is back with another handheld, and this time it's the Legion GO S. It's smaller, lighter, and cheaper than the original Legion GO. But does that actually make it better? Or is this just another lite version that cuts all the wrong corners? Let's look at what the Legion GO S brings, how it compares to the original Legion GO, and whether it's worth waiting for. The Legion GO S features a compact design with curved handle edges, making it more comfortable for extended gaming sessions. Unlike the original Legion GO, the controllers are non-detachable, which helps with durability but removes the flexibility of a detached control scheme. It comes in two colors depending on the operating system: Glacier White for the Windows version, and Nebula Violet for Steam OS users. This marks Lenovo's first step into offering OS choices, with the Steam OS model launching in May 2025 after the Windows version releases in February. Right off the bat, the Legion GO S is smaller and more refined than the original. It ditches the 8.8-inch 144Hz display for a more compact 8-inch 120Hz panel with VRR support, so you won't have to deal with screen tearing. The shape is also tweaked for better comfort, with rounded edges, palm humps, and a recessed grip area that make a difference in longer gaming sessions. The Hall-based analog sticks have RGB lighting, which is a nice touch, and Lenovo threw in Pro-style triggers with trigger locks, so you can switch between a hair trigger or a linear trigger depending on the game. There's also a micro SD slot for expandable storage and dual USB 4 ports that support eGPUs for that extra performance. But if there's one thing I'm unsure about, that is the D-pad. Lenovo went with a dish-style design instead of the traditional layout, and while it looks unique, it might not be everyone's favorite. It's there and it works, but whether it's good or just passable is something we'll have to see in real-world usage. The Legion GO S is powered by either the AMD Ryzen Z2 Go or the Ryzen Z1 Extreme, paired with AMD Radeon 780M graphics. It offers up to 32 GB LPDDR5X RAM and upgradable 1TB PCIe SSD storage. Compared to the original Legion GO, which had a larger 8.8-inch 144Hz screen at 2560 by 1600 resolution. The original Legion GO had Z1 Extreme APU. There's a clear performance gap. In early benchmarks, the Z1 Extreme is ahead in both CPU and GPU performance. But here's the thing: drivers matter. The Z2 APU is still in its early stages, and with optimizations, the gap could shrink over time. Here's what early performance looks like. Forza Horizon 5 with medium, FSR balanced settings got around 73 FPS. Street Fighter 6 medium settings bring stable 60 FPS. Fortnite with low-medium mix stays above 60 FPS with minor stutters. Spider-Man 2 with low FSR 3.1 frame gen gets 60 FPS but has some dips, likely due to driver issues. Overall, it's not bad, but if you're expecting ROG Ally X levels of performance, you might be disappointed. How does Legion GO S compare to the competition? Compared to the original Legion GO, the GO S is smaller, lighter, and more power efficient, but it loses the detachable controllers and built-in kickstand. If you value a more compact device, the GO S makes sense. If you want the flexibility of removable controllers, the original still has the edge. Compared to the Steam Deck OLED, it is taller due to its larger 8-inch display. The Deck has better software optimization and runs SteamOS natively, but the GO S gives you more RAM options and a choice between Windows and SteamOS. The Ally X is the smallest of the three and has the biggest 80 watt-hour battery. However, the GO S has a larger display and USB 4 support for eGPU expansion. Each device has its trade-offs, but one area where Lenovo stands out is the software. The Legion Space app gives quick access to TDP adjustments, resolution switching, fan control, RGB customization, and even trigger dead zone adjustments. Not bad for something that's still running Windows. At the end of the day, if you want a more affordable, compact handheld with better OS flexibility, the Legion GO S makes sense. Since it's not out yet, the biggest question is whether it's worth waiting for. If you don't have a handheld yet, it might be worth waiting to see how this stacks up after full reviews and driver updates. If battery life is a priority, the ROG Ally X still has the edge with its 80-watt-hour battery. Lenovo is trying to refine their handheld lineup, and the Legion GO S seems like a solid step in the right direction. But whether it's the best choice for you depends on what you're looking for in a handheld. What do you think? Does the Legion GO S seem like a worthwhile upgrade, or is it just another handheld in an already crowded market? Let me know in the comments, and as always, stay tuned for more news and reviews.